Let us see cognitive resource of the self. As per the Bloom's taxonomy, we know that there are the 6 levels. The first one is the knowledge, understanding, application, analysis, synthesis, and the highest level is evaluation. So Bloom's 6 cognitive levels are critical for understanding how we process information and engage in intellectual tasks. By mastering these levels, individuals develop skills necessary for creative thinking, problem solving, and effective decision making. Knowledge means remembering. Description. This is the most fundamental level. It involves recalling facts, definitions, terms, and basic concepts. Knowledge is essential for grounding oneself in a subject or domain of thought before moving to higher levels of cognitive engagement. Example: remembering historical dates, formulas, or facts. Skills: organizing and recalling learned information. Verbs: arrange, define, duplicate, label, list, memorize, name, recognize, relate, recall, repeat, reproduce, state. Second level is comprehension, means understanding. At this level, learners go beyond simple recall to grasp the meaning of material. Comprehension involves translating, interpreting, and summarizing information in a way that shows understanding. Example: summarizing a passage or translating a mathematical word problem into an equation. Skills: understanding concepts and being able to express them in one's own words. Bloom's verbs are classify, describe, discuss, explain, express, identify, indicate, locate, recognize, report, restate, review, select, translate. Third level is application, means using. Description. This level involves applying learned concepts, methods, theories, or rules to real world situation. Application requires a higher level of understanding than comprehension, as it involves practical use of information. Example: solving a math problem using an algebraic formula or applying ethical principles to make a decision. Skills: translating knowledge into action and applying it to solve problems or execute tasks. Bloom's verbs are apply, choose, demonstrate, dramatize, employ, illustrate, interpret, operate, practice, schedule, solve, use, write. Next level is analysis, which means breaking down. Description. Analysis involves breaking down information into smaller components to understand its structure and relationships. Learners must be able to identify parts, analyze their connections, and understand organization principles. Example: analyzing a research paper to identify its thesis, argument structure, and an evidence. Skills: critically examining information and breaking it down into parts to understand its underlying structure. Verbs: analyze, appraise, calculate, categorize, compare, contrast, criticize, differentiate, discriminate, distinguish, examine, experiment. Synthesis means creating. Description. Synthesis is about putting together parts to form new whole. It involves creating something new from existing knowledge, whether it's a novel idea, a research proposal, or a new plan of action. Example: designing a new product prototype or formulating a new theory based on existing research. Skills: creativity and innovation. Integrating different pieces of information to generate something original. Verbs: arrange, assemble, collect, construct, create, develop, formulate, manage, organize, plan, prepare, propose, set up. Evaluation is the final level. Description. Evaluation is the highest level in Bloom's taxonomy. It involves making judgment about the value or effectiveness of something based on established criteria. These judgments require higher order thinking and the ability to weigh different alternatives. Example: assessing the quality of an academic paper, defending a viewpoint based on evidence, or selecting the best approach to solve problem. Skills: critical judgment, decision making, and the ability to assess situations and solutions based on clear rational criteria. Verbs: appraise, argue, assess, attach, choose, compare, defend, evaluate, judge, justify, prioritize, rate, recommend, review. The self as a human resource. As a learner progress through Bloom's taxonomy, they enhance their cognitive capabilities, developing the ability to think creatively. At higher levels, synthesis and evaluation level, individuals can generate novel ideas, find unique solutions, and evaluate outcomes based on the personal and external criteria. And it makes decisions. The process of evaluating alternatives, weighing pros and cons, and choosing the most effective action aligns with higher level of Bloom's taxonomy, particularly in evaluation. To solve problems. Effective problem solving requires both the application of knowledge and the ability to analyze, synthesize, and evaluate potential solutions. Conclusion: cognitive resources are essential for personal growth. Bloom's taxonomy offers a clear framework to help us understand how we move from simple knowledge to more advanced thinking. By improving these thinking skills, people become better at creative thinking, making decisions, and solving problems, skills that are important for handling difficult challenges both personal and work life. Thank you.